How to log into Flybuys account. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be discussing about logging into your Flybuys account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in flybuys.com.au in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of Flybuys, from where you need to first locate the sign in button that is just beside the join Flybuys option. Click on it. And as soon as you click on it, you will be taken directly to the login portal, from where you need to first enter your member number or your email address in the first field, and followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. After you do that, in the case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link in order to successfully retry or reset your credentials. And after you've entered your email address and the password correctly in the first and the second field, click on the Sign In button highlighted in blue color in order to successfully log into your Flybuys account. And if you'd like to sign in without a password, you can also go to this link of Sign In Without a Password and follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully log into your Flybuys account. And in a case if you do not have a Flybuys account yet, you can go to Don't Have an Account Join Today option, click on it, and also follow the on-screen instruction to become a member of Flybuys. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your Flybuys account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.